if you're trying to make your offer letter as attractive as possible to land a big time hire, something you may want to consider putting in there is unlimited PTO. Now, that kind of scares a lot of people, but it shouldn't. And here's why. For admin and managerial level positions, and even some, high commission based sales roles, generally, most workforce in America is getting somewhere between 2 and 4 weeks of paid time off. And so what has been found in studies is that most of the time when you offer unlimited PTO, employees take less time than if they had a set amount of days. And so what they rather have is the autonomy and the choice and the freedom of when they can take their days, rather than putting strict guidelines on how many vacation days or sick days or personal days. Forget about all that. Unlimited PTO, and you use it as you please, long as you have very good KPIs and they hit their numbers so they're winning in their role. Long as you can do that, unlimited PTO is something that you can definitely offer.